In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop-loss order on Webull. Start by signing into your Webull account using the mobile app or desktop platform. Next, open the Portfolio section and select the stock or ETF you want to protect with a stop-loss order. After that, tap or click Trade to open the order entry screen. Now choose Sell if you're placing a stop-loss for a position you already own. Next, open the Order Type menu and select Stop or Stop Loss, depending on your version of Webull. After that, enter your stop price, which is the price that will trigger your sell order if the market reaches that level. Now enter the number of shares you want to include in the stop-loss order. Next, review the order details carefully, including the stop price, share quantity, and order duration, such as day or good till cancelled, GTC. After that, tap Submit or Place Order to activate your stop-loss order. Finally, monitor the order from the Open Orders section, where you can modify or cancel it at any time before it is triggered. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set a stop-loss order on Webull. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.